The Cooper ACR line, designed for the special challenges of the furniture industry. The Cooper ACR offers top-class professional veneer processing. Flexible cutting heads allow even very large veneer dimensions to be cut precisely and fully automatically. And all this in the usual first-class Cooper quality. Intuitive operation, visualization of the entire process, and precise picking, transporting, and positioning of the veneer bundles ensure exceptional process reliability and maximum productivity. The newly developed 21.5-inch display offers maximum comfort. The entire process is presented to the operator in a clear and easily controllable manner. The result? Intuitive and safe operation of all process steps. The process starts after cutting with proven Cooper technology, gluing with the Cooper KLM, and fanning with the Cooper FFM. The veneer portal enables fully automatic loading of the Cooper Doppeldeck. The horizontal transport arrangement guarantees precise positioning exactly on the belt. Dynamic positioning in the longitudinal direction prevents the veneers from sagging or drooping. The result? High process reliability and maximum productivity. The dried veneer stacks are then ready for manual feeding into the Cooper ACR. The individual veneers are then put together to form a deck. This Cooper process step is also based on a highly proven and technically advanced system that has been in use for many years. The outstanding joint quality in a wide variety of materials is valued by our customers worldwide. The Cooper VSR Flex is one of the highlights. Trimming, splitting, reinforcing, and positioning of the veneer decks, all integrated in the Cooper VSR Flex. The flexible cutting heads allow splitting into up to 3 equal or unequal parts. The dimensions can be easily and conveniently entered via the user interface. The result? Up to 3 times the production output with identical preparation and production times. Cooper, the benchmark for productivity and efficiency. Let's take a closer look at the cutting heads. An integrated double heater enables the thread to be applied on both sides next to the separating cut. The result? High veneer stability without lateral tearing. Cooper Stable. The separated veneer decks are finally pulled apart and stacked using a suction beam. Innovative vacuum technology ensures precise positioning of the decks. And of course, the same applies here. The distances between the individual stacks can be individually adjusted to your requirements via the touch panel. Flexibility well thought out. The entire system is visualized and controlled by the Siemens control system. In addition to a very short training phase for operators, full control over the entire production process is guaranteed. The advantages? All sensors can be displayed and checked individually. Motors and cylinders can be controlled individually or as a group. Fault messages and warnings are precisely aligned and clearly identified through visualization. The result? Faster fault detection, minimized downtimes, and high process reliability. By assigning various attributes, e.g. the drying time, veneer parts can be positioned depending on their size. This prevents packages with wet glue from being removed. Cooper Clever. Sensors and actuators can also be configured via the interface. This is a significant advantage when replacing components. Moreover, thanks to the integrated web technology, the entire system can be operated at any time from a wide variety of locations, e.g. via tablet. The cutting heads of the VSR Flex can be flexibly and precisely adjusted to the required dimensions and are automated with short setup times. The Cooper control cabinet contains all the functions of the entire line. It is clearly designed for easy maintenance and precise troubleshooting. The integration of Industry 4.0 allows production and performance data to be recorded and energy consumption to be analyzed. Production capacities, operating times, downtimes, and much more data can be precisely recorded and analyzed. The flexible Cooper ACR line, designed for the special challenges of the furniture industry.